Here it is all broken down. This was really fun to take apart. I liked how stuff was just not even, I mean, it was glued, but it wasn't like, it didn't make it a problem, you know, like I didn't rip anything. So it's pretty easy. I do like this head though. I do like how all the hoses and everything are attached. Gonna try to keep that around. I might have to put this bracelet back on because this is like 4 times bigger than this one. So I'm gonna have to try that. I want to swap these hands. I don't know why. I just want these hands on here. I'll see what I can do. But all in all, can't wait to get this done.